In Zimbabwe, we have a statement, make a plan. It means that no matter what happens, no matter what life throws at you, you're always going to have to make a plan to get out of it. So a lot of single mothers, a lot of widowed women, they make a plan. They wake up every morning and they look for something to do. It might not be the most decent of jobs or the most acceptable of jobs, but they will wake up and they will make a plan.
Ngingakangeni kuLusumpuko ngangisebenza ezindlini ngihamba nje kuma fish job ngathola fish job ngiwatshela umuntu ngimklinela.
Ngingakangeni eLusumpuko bengithengisa iCobra bengihamba ngiye eZambia ngiyathengisa leBotswana ngiyathengisa izikiriosi.
eLusumpuko isintshintshile impilo yami.
So Lusumpuko is a group of women who have come together to find a way to make money in the tourism industry here in Big Falls. And they've brought their tradition and their culture and started up a meal service which helps them provide like a basic African meal to tourists here in town and also a little bit of their culture and tradition.
I'm very excited. Why? Because it's your first time.
At your house?
Yes.
Yes.
My name is Linda. It's Lusumpuko. I'm the chair lady. My aim with working with the Lusumpuko is I want to empower young ladies and to improve my community.
Linda, she's very inspiring. A year ago, she couldn't speak in English, but now she's the most vocal and the most confident of them all.
In Zimbabwe, it's hard to have a living, but we are very lucky because every week we have the GAdventures, travelers. So in Lusumpuko we do gardening, we cook for the tourists, we can be hired to cook for the weddings, and we raise chicken.
Women have always done the cooking, they've always done the cleaning, they've always done the small jobs, as people would call them, but this is these women taking something small or their duties in the culture and making something big out of it.
Komunye isikhathi besicabanga ukuthi thina vele nxa singabantu abakhangelelwa phansi, but ngenxa ye-G eyasenzela khona sesikwazi ukuthi noma labantu abangaphandle bayasithanda.
Sengizibona sengingcono. Khathesi ngiyakwanisa ukuthi ngithole imali yesepa yomntanami, ngikwanisa ukuthola imali ye-school fees, ngikwanisa ukubhadala irent lapho engihlala khona. Ngiyaphila lami njengabanye bonke omama.
I would love to say thank you to GAdventures, thank you to Planeterra, thank you to the travelers, because when I see other women succeeding, for me it means I'm succeeding as well, because now when I have children, they will be able to look up to these women and see, oh, Lusumpuko did this, and then they move forward.